today's video we will be learning how to find the factors of any number using factor tree method. So factor tree method is a most common method which is used to find the factors of any number. So I will be telling you a very easy trick how to find the factors of any number using factor tree method. So in the whole video I will be taking 5 examples each so that your concept clears or you are able to understand it completely in a very easy way. So like suppose let me take the first example as 50. Now if your teacher asks you that you have to find all the factors of 50, so what will you do? Can you write it in the form 10 into 5? Yes or no? Yes, we can write it easily. You can write it in the form of 25 into 2 also. You can write it in the form of 5 into 10 also. So it will be the same thing. So you can separate it into any way. So like 50 we can divide it into 10 into 5 because 10 into 5 is 50. That means two of the factors are 10 and 5. So now what we have to do, we have to see if this number which we have divided or separated can be further divided or not into its lowest factors. Like can we write 10 as 2 into 5? Yes or no? Yes, we can write it. Similarly, can we write 5 in any way except 5 into 1? No. So we'll carry down 5 as it is. So that means all the factors we can split 50 into in the form of 2 into 5 into 5. That means in the form of all of its prime factors. Now let us check our answer again. 2 into 5 is 10 and 10 into 5 is 50. So this is the factor tree method. So suppose the same example if I take in the other way. Like suppose some students will say that we can separate it in the form of 25 into 2 also. Yes, you can do. 25 into 2 is 50, you can do in that way. Now can we see that we can further divide 25 into 5 because 5 into 5 is 25. Similarly 2 can't be further divided, so it will carry down same. So what we will do, we can again write 50 in the form of 5 into 5 into 2. So 5 into 5 is 25 and 25 into 2 is 50. So the same factors will come at the end. So you will get the same answer. Whatever number you take in the starting, whether it is 25 or 2 or 10 or 5, you will get the same answer. So with this, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want more such videos of maths. So this was the first example. Let us take my second example now. Okay, so can we write 100 as 10 into 10? We can write 100 in many ways, but I am taking the easiest way. You can take it as 50 into 2 also. Yes or no? You can take 50 into 2 also, you can take 10 into 10 also, you can take 20 into 5 also, anything you can take. So answer will be same at the end. So now further 10 can be divided into 5 into 2 because 5 into 2 will give me 10. Again this 10 can also be further divided 5 into 2. So now nothing else can be divided more. So can we write 100 as 5 into 2 into 5 into 2. So let us check our answer. 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 5 is 50 and 50 into 2 is 100. So whatever number you take, just see that it should be correct. You will get the same answer at the end. So this complete method is known as factor tree method. It is one of the easiest and interesting method. So let me take any other difficult example this time. I am taking 125. Okay, so 125. So can we write 25 into 5? Yes or no? Yes, we can write 25 into 5 as 125. So you can take any number. You can take any number, just the condition is that when you are multiplying those two numbers, you should get the result. So now further 25 can be divided as 5 into 5. So 5 into 5, 25. Now this 5 can't be divided further, so we can write it 5 only. So this is my factor tree of 125. So 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 5 is 125, which is the final answer. So this was my third example. I hope it is clear. So with this, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want such more videos, and press the bell icon also so that you get the latest notifications. Now I am taking the bigger number. Suppose if I take 1500. So now 1500, can we write it as 150 into 10? Yes, we can write it. Now further 150 can be divided as 15 into 10. First I am doing the left hand side, I am completing my left hand side. Now further 15 can also be divided as 5 into 3 and this 10 can be divided as 5 into 2. So now here it is ended, but on the right hand side also I am having 10, so which can be further divided as 5 into 2. So that means at the end I am getting the factors of 1500 as 5 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 5 into 2. So if you multiply all of them, you will get 1500, which is the final result, and this is the complete factor tree of 1500. I hope it is clear. Okay, with this, hit the like button. If you are having any doubts, you can comment below. In the comment section, you can ask me. Now I am taking 64. Any random number I have taken. So can we write it as 8 into 8? Yes, we can write it as 8 into 8. So now we know that 4 into 2 is also 8. So I am splitting 8 in. You can split it in any way. You can split it in any way. Just you have to see that there should be only 2 factors. You have to split it in the form of 2 factors. Now further 4 can be divided as 2 into 2. And this 2 will come same. Now again this 8 can be divided as 4 into 2. And this 4 can be divided as 2 into 2. And this 2 will come same. So now can we write 64 as 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, then again 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. So this is the complete factor tree of 64. 2 into 2 is 4, into 2 8, into 2 16, into 2 32, into 2 64. Yes? Was it good or not? So with this, press the like button. Now similarly 64 can be separated in any other form also. Suppose if I divide it with 2. Suppose if I take one of the factors of 64 as 2. But I told you that you have to split it into its 2 factors only. If 64 is divided with 2, then what will happen? The second factor will come out to be 32. This will also be correct because at the end you are going to get the same answer. So 2 can't be separated further. So we will write it same as 2 only. But can we write 32 as how much? 16 into 2? Yes, we can write it. Similarly, 16 can further be divided. 2 into 8. This 2 can't be divided, so I will carry it same. Again, 8 can be divided as 4 into 2. Again, 4 can be divided as 2 into 2. And the 2 which can't be divided will be carried down same. This 2 will also be carried down same, and this 2 will also be carried down same. So this is the complete factor tree of 64 in the other way. If you want to go ahead with this one. So both the methods are correct. Finally you are going to get all the factors same only, because at the end we are getting 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is the same as the previous example. So with this, I'll end my session because my 5 examples are completed. Still, if you are having doubt, you can ask me below in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos and press the bell icon so that you get the latest notifications. So with this, I'll end. Goodbye.